Hey there, zillstar. In this video, we are putting together an incredible little finger cymbal riff with a fantastic belly dance combination to get you dancing and zilling like the zillstar that you are meant to be. So if you are ready to rock your zills, go ahead and tie on your hip scarf, grab your zills, and let's get dancing. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. If you enjoy these kinds of belly dance and finger cymbal tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I can send you fantastic belly dance and finger cymbal content every single week. Hey there, Zillstar. All right, so this video is actually the continuation. It's part 2 of a 2-part series that's going to teach you a wonderful belly dance combination with finger cymbals. But if you missed part 1, you're definitely going to want to check it out. So click the link above so that you can see the tutorial that takes you through how to play the finger cymbal pattern and how to do the belly dance combination separately, because in today's video, we are going to put them together and dance them with music. So grab your cymbals. You have no idea how much I love that you are back for more. Total rock star in my book. Thank you for being here. Let's do a really quick review of the finger cymbal pattern and the belly dance movements that we did in the last tutorial so we can then put them together as successfully as possible. So here we go. I'm going to play this a few times through just on the zills. Feel free to join me, remembering that we counted this and a 1 and 2E and 3 and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Here we go. One more time. Yes, nicely done. And now the belly dance movements, if you recall, quick review. We start here, hip drop, 6, 7, 8, drop, release, ami, and ami, other side. Drop, release, ami, and ami. Walking it forward, drop, drop, drop. Inner hip roll on the left, inner hip roll on the right. Drop, drop, drop. Undulation, undulation. One more time to review all the way through. 6, 7, 8, and drop, release, 5, 6, 7, hip drops go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, inner, and inner going back, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, undulate, undulate. All right, so I'm curious, did you try putting them together at home on your own? Did you figure out how they match? They are fairly well matched together in that it was probably pretty simple to figure out how to put one on top of the other. But in case you didn't do that, I'm going to step you through it now before we do it with music. So I'm going to count the zills for you as I dance, and then we'll play it, yeah? So here we go. This is going to be and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, other side. And a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. Zills repeat. And a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3, and a 1 and 2E and 3, and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. You see that? So the zills repeat. That 8 counts repeats the entire time. We're just changing the combo a little bit. We do the combo on the right, we do the combo on the left, we do the other combo traveling forward, and then the other combo traveling back. But zills remain the same the entire time, yes? Let's try it all together. Yeah, here we go. 6, 7, 8. Hip down, traveling forward. Take it back. Undulate. Let's do it again. Here we go. Take it back. One more time, a little bit faster. And a 1 and 2 and 3. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Other side. Take it forward. Take it back. Whoa, how's that going? Did your brain explode? It's a little bit of this, right? So remember, we talked a little bit about the idea of bandwidth. Like if any of these belly dance movements are challenging for you, and some of the zilling is challenging for you, like it's a big challenge to layer them together. So I invite you to find a way to take it to your level of challenge. If you want to simplify the dance movements a little bit, you're absolutely welcome to do that. If you want to take the zilling and maybe take out some of the sounds and use a single sound, you can absolutely do that. I'm going to put on music now, which is not super fast, I promise you. But if you want, you can always slow things down too as you practice it to make it more enjoyable, right? You want to be challenged, but you don't want to feel frustrated as you do it, right? And then if you're feeling like this is pretty easy, you got it going, then you can add some texture, you can add a little bit of extra movement, little shimmies, or you can also challenge yourself with the way you play the finger cymbals. Maybe you tend to play right hand lead, then I challenge you to start with your left hand. Whew, that'll keep you challenged all day long, yeah? So we're gonna take that and we're gonna put it now to music. All right, take a deep breath up. Give it a little stretch. Center yourself. You got this. Roll those shoulders back and down. We'll strike our pose. Get ready. We'll go on 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Take it forward. Take it back. Repeat. Let's do it again. Here we go. One more time, all the way through. And strike your pose. Woo-hoo! Bravo! Whatever just happened, bravo. You tried the thing. You showed up and you tried the thing. So many people, they want to learn to play the finger cymbals, but like they don't ever take the action to actually learn them. And so bravo to you, kudos to you for being here and for tackling that very challenging combination. So I want to know, what is the part that's most challenging for you? And what's the part that's most exciting as you're learning? I think it's important that as we learn, we recognize the challenge and we know that those challenges are opportunities for growth, right? Don't be discouraged by the fact that something's hard. That means there's an opportunity to learn. I mean, how boring would classes be if like you could do everything that the teacher showed you, right? I always tell my students, if you can do everything I show you in class, please ask for your money back, right? You want to be learning, you want to be growing, but then recognize those small incremental improvements that you make as well. So maybe, you only knew 2 sounds before and now you know 3, or maybe you were never quite able to pair things and you had some moments today where it worked, or maybe you're learning to play the zills faster than you've done before. Whatever it is, be sure to recognize your improvements, because that is going to be what gives you the encouragement to continue advancing. I believe in you. I know that you can do this. Go back and review, play this as many times as you'd like, and then let me know what is working for you and what else would you like to learn to do with these fantastic little instruments. I would love to help you become the zillstar that you are totally meant to be. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me on the dance floor, and I look forward to making music with you very soon. Oh, hey, and if you haven't heard, it is almost time for the 2023 Zill Challenge. Registration will be opening soon. This is an amazing 10-day challenge that will give you the foundations that you need to be an awesome finger cymbal player. And we are going to do something very much like what we've done here in this video, but more extensive, more sounds, more patterns, more riffs, more belly dance, more community, and prizes. And it is such a fun time. So check out thezillchallenge.com. Registration will be opening soon, and I cannot wait to make music with you there.